How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode of Wheel Hobbies. Today we're out with the Traxxas Xmax. We've got Gareth Harvey filming and me, Dean Lawrence, yay, with the RC car. Let's see how long it lasts today. So today we're testing out my Mod 1.5 gears here. We've got them in there. You drop me a comment down below. I sell these gears, they're fully lightened. I'll give you a demonstration what they're like. This is a 15-30 ratio, so you've got a 15 tough pinion and a 30 tough spur gear. So far I haven't had any real temp issues. I am running one of these uprated fans as well, which you can also purchase from me as well.
How much are they, Dean? Roughly?
The fans, I don't actually know yet, I haven't figured it out. But the Mod 1.5 gears are 50 quid a set. So there's my neighbour over there. Say hello to him. Yeah, so we'll show you how they go. As you can see, it's quite lively. What we'll take you up here, we'll do a couple of little speed runs. See if we can get full speed down there.
You want to be watching your ankles this time round, Dean?
Yeah. Good old way to test your motor if you haven't got a thermo, whatever it's called. Not even warm.
A thermometer?
That's it. It's fine. There's two nice little speed runs there. The motor isn't even, none of it's even warm.
Dean?
Yeah?
You know those thermometers?
The thermometers?
Yeah, I've got one of those in my box.
Have you?
Yeah, do you want to go and grab it?
No, go right.
Where is it? Oh yeah, it's down there.
Put it in the car. When I need something, it's just in your car. Because my batteries run out and you just happen to have batteries on you. And I needed super glue and you happen to have super glue on you.
I also happen to have a truggy, but I didn't bring my transmitter.
Oh dear.
Because I'm an idiot. But, Dean.
For my mama thing.
Yeah. It's set in Fahrenheit, by the way, Dean. Press and hold for a minute, and there you go.
72 degrees.
Is that what you're getting?
At the
on
moment.
On my thermometer.
On your thermometer. Should we have it out?
Yeah, why not? That wasn't so bad.
I hit a rut.
A rut?
Yeah. Coming again?
Oh yeah. It's got to be one of the strongest RC cars, period.
Coming, Gareth.
It's coming.
Yeah.
Hey! And the best bit is, Dean.
None of it on film.
No, it was on film.
Was it on film?
It was on film.
Oh, you legend. I'm coming again. Your reflexes are going to be bob on for this crap.
Why were you heading towards me, Dean?
Because this is the path. You're in it.
Nah.
Come in. Nice jump, isn't it?
Yeah.
That wasn't meant to happen.
No. Shell's off.
Shells off. Okay.
What? Why am I down here again, Dean? Am I getting brave for the angles?
You're getting brave for the angles, right? I'm coming.
Okay.
I think you're pretty safe, to be fair.
I believe so.
You ready, Gareth?
Yeah. Except,
That was a front flip that I landed.
and I didn't catch it because I wasn't expecting it to jump that way.
No, it's hard trying to line it up.
Dean,
Yeah.
what are you doing?
Tunnel. Oh my life!
That could have ended so badly with me standing there.
Let's do it again.
Try and do it so it steers the other way and flies off into the distance. Steer to your right. The only trouble is I can't quite see it. Oh, that's mad.
I got a footprint on my ass now.
Yeah.
Right. Don't do this at home, guys.
Or just don't do it anywhere.
Ready? Oh, that's where it landed. Oh, you alright, Gareth?
I'm alright.
Was that fun?
For me. Oh dear. Right, let's go for some tea.
Yeah.
I believe that concludes this episode of Wheel Hobbies. So, what do we say, Dean?
There you go.
Oh, no, we don't say here we go.
We do, we say here we go.
No, no, we don't say here we go, Gareth. Here's some light
Say
posts.
like and subscribe for more carnage.
Yeah. So, you gonna say it then?
Like and subscribe for more RC carnage.
Awesome.
Bye bye, guys. You're missing this, you're just filming my stupid face.
I am, yeah. Stupid face.